Press the bell icon in YouTube app. Never miss another update from C++ with a year. Welcome to my tutorial once again. I will teach you today for loop. So in C++, iteration provides loops. So there are three types of loops in iteration: for, while and do while. In this video I will be focusing on for, as I have already given in description, promised you that I will today focus on for. So let's start the tutorial. This is a presentation. Let's start with presentation followed by programs. Iteration. So basically what is iteration is defined here. The iteration statement allows a set of instructions to be performed repeatedly until a certain condition is fulfilled. The iteration will work till then. If for example, if you are printing table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, it has a certain condition that when the 2 tensa comes, the table will end there. So there is a certain condition we have provided to the loop. So till that time it will run. Okay. In other words, iteration is looping or loops statement. Okay. Three kind of loops are there: for, while, do while. In this video, focusing on for. This is some of the graphical effects. Appreciate on comments. The for loop. It is the easiest to understand in C++ loop because other loops do while and while are little bit difficult to understand, but I will make it easy, don't worry. It has a syntax for the initialization of expressions. For example, example will be provided after this. Okay, it has a syntax like first for, then inside the parenthesis initialization of expressions, then a semicolon, then text expression, means a condition is provided here, then update expression I plus plus j plus plus, initialization of expression I equals to 0, j equals to 0. Okay, it is an entry control loop, means it checks the checks the condition first, then the loop will run, means the statement inside the loop will follow. Okay, again effect. Now an example. So first initialization takes place. We will initialize int I. So after that for, then we will initialize with a constant, with a number I equals to 1, then semicolon, then the condition I is less than or equals to 10, then semicolon, then I plus plus, then finally cout space, then print the value of I, then close the program with a semicolon. Okay, so first the value of I will be 1. So it is less than 10, the value of I means 1 is less than 10, the statement will follow, 1 will be printed, then it will follow I plus plus. So now the value of I will be increased by 1. So now the new value of I will be 2. Okay, so again 2 is less than 10, space is given, then 2 is in the output screen. After that again I plus plus is followed. Now the new value of I will be 3, so which is also less than 10, space, then the value will be printed. It will be like this till and the value of I will be 11. So let's directly jump onto the when the value of I is 10. So here the value of I is 10 now. So value of I is 10. So 10 is equals to 10 or less than 10 is not possible. So 10 is equals to 10. Condition is 2 here. The statement will be followed, space, then the value of I, then I plus plus comment will be followed. So now the new value of I will be 11, which is not less than or equals to 10. Here the loop ends. So the output screen we have values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 will be not be printed because it does not follow the condition. So how the for loop works? It is very simple. I think you have understood that much. Let's start making a program on for loop. Take a notepad, pen or a computer so that you can try to make a program or note it down. Okay, I think you have understood that much. The presentation, let's make it more clear by making a practical program. After that I will give you some questions to solve. The program will be of table. As you have studied in class 1st and 2nd, the teacher always forces you to learn the tables from 1 to 12 or say 1 to 20. But by this program you can print any table of any number. So without wasting the time, let's start making the program. Let's start with an comment. Which program we are making? Table. I have already included the header files, the void main, and clr and getch. Let's start defining the initialization int I. Now the function for that we have just studied. Here we have 3 parts. Okay, first part is initialization of the variable. So I equals to 1, semicolon. Now the condition part, I less than or equals to 10. Now again semicolon. Now I plus plus. Okay, 3 parts are there. We have to define all the 3 parts. At least we have to do this semicolon. 2 semicolons should be there. It will be manageable even if one part is missing from it. Okay, so main part, statement part. So what you have to do here, so that you can have in the output screen 2 into 1 2. Okay, so first 2 is coming. So user defined number, let's take another variable, comma, and here define another variable cout, enter any number of which you want to print table. Okay, now scene statement, scene function, cin n. Okay, the number will be stored n variable on variable n. Now cout, we have to use the value of n, so cout, then the operators, then n, again the operators. Now 2 into we have to show into, so for that into would be star. In C++ it is a star, into means a star. Okay, so now again 2 into 1, so 1, what is 1 here? I, the value of I should be printed here. Okay, so I is changing because first 2 into 1 equals to 2, 2 into 2 equals to 4, means I is changing here. So I have put the value of I here. Then now we have to show is equals to sign here. So after the operators, inside the quotes I have added is equals to, then quotes, then operators. Now we want the value of n multiplied by I, so we will write here as it is n multiplied by I. Now semicolon to end the statement here. Okay, now let's check if our program is right or not. So first save your program by pressing F2. Let's name it table 1. Okay, now by pressing Alt F9, compile the program. No errors, no warnings are found. Now by Control F9, run the program. Enter any number of which you want to print a table. I want to print the table of 4. Yes, it has given the right values, but it is not aligned. So now we want it aligned, so we have to add a statement after cout, operators, then quotes, then end line statement. End line, it is a scope resolution operator which tells the compiler to make the cursor in the next line. So see how the program changes now. Let's compile it. No errors. Now run it. Again I want to print the table of 4. Now see, it is now correctly aligned and printed like a table, like we always seen it. Okay, so I think you understand this table. I will give you comprehension check questions which I will discuss in the next video. Next video will be of Q&A, so if you want to ask any questions on that questions, you can ask. Otherwise I will be giving all the answers of the questions in the next video. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Just try to do the questions on your own or just wait for my next video. Let's aim for about 25 likes for this video. Last time the like aim was not achieved, so please, it is easy for you to just click on the button, so please click on it. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe. Put see out, see in, for loop, anything, just you should have to click the subscribe button. So for now, thank you.